we really sat with this for a long time, didn't we? We were like, how do we do it? Do we do it in the studio? Do we just do Loom videos, or do we do a combination? So we've chosen to do a combination, haven't we?
Yeah, yeah, for sure. It goes back to what I said in the beginning. We've got this enormous amount of like history of what we've done and what we've learned, and it's all coming together beautifully at the point when you can use these AI tools to kind of do a lot of the old systems, but you do them much faster with AI and they scale.
Yeah.
So yeah, this is just going to be, and what I really wanted it to be was, you know, we're very straight talking people anyway, so it's like this isn't going to be filled with technical jargon and things you don't understand. And it's like my biggest passion for this is that we do this really well for the everyday person that's never built a website, never done anything online, and it's going to be amazing to just see those success stories as they follow the path.
That's it. No jargon, practical knowledge you can apply immediately, tested methods that deliver results in today's market and the future market. And we want you to be able to deploy what you'll learn the same day and no hanging around. Next slide. So what's next? We're going to jump to module 2, which is Internet Marketing Foundations. We're going to lay the groundwork before the advanced tools, why principles still matter in an AI world. And that's it for us for module 1. And we will see you in the next session.